Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by email for your friends' activities on PC. With the latest update, staying connected with your friends' posts and updates has become easier than ever. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon, which is your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the notifications panel that opens up, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your notification preferences. On the Notifications Settings page, scroll down until you find the section titled Updates from Friends. Click on this option to expand it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to Email. Simply click this switch to turn it on. When it's blue, you know it's activated. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email notifications for your friends' activities on Facebook. Now, whenever your friends post updates, photos, or other content, you'll receive an email notification, ensuring you never miss out on what's happening in your social circle. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page to adjust your preferences. If you find you're getting too many emails, you can easily turn off this feature using the same steps. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in keeping you connected with your friends on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.